What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful frost white EMZOOM GS3 right in front of us. Now let's take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks with the designs of the matte finishes here and there, together with the name of the color, which is frost white. It looks really aggressive looking and very nice indeed. Now let us first start off with the front of the car, then we shall move on to the wheels and then the interior and things like that. So this version is called the Premium R. As you can see, it definitely does look very much premium indeed. Now let's start off with the lights. You do have your amazing lights that we have like this. Now with it turned on, you guys can actually admire the beautiful DRLs that actually light up inside right here. So very cool. I'll turn them on later to show it to you. But nevertheless, let's take a look at the design, man. How angular it is. Very sharp, very aggressive looking, beautiful. Now those are amazing lights that they have. For the bottom bumper, we have some opening right here for air to flow through. We also get your other lights happening right here. On top of that, you have your front skirting, I would call it. Looks absolutely amazing. I love this yellow, kind of like a gold touch, not really sure, or orange touch is what they call it. Looks very nice indeed. Love the matte finish as well on this side. Looks fantastic, man. Now you do get some gloss black finishes on this side right here. Go all the way to the center. It does look very nice indeed. Now some opening right here for air to flow through. I believe this should be some like your, maybe it could be a sensor, not really quite sure, but nevertheless your grille looks very aggressive indeed. Love the lines that are going on vertically, the G logo right there, and you get your 360 camera right underneath the logo. Very cool indeed. Of course the radiator is right behind there, and then you got these three lines that are on the front of the grille on one side of it. Very nice indeed, man. Aggressive looking. Now for the hood, you have some amazing lines that go from here all the way down. You get some lines on this side as well, so very nice indeed. On the right side right here, you also have the same as well. Beautiful look, man. Love it. Now let's move on to the wheels. You have your amazing wheel arch on your right side here. Similar colors towards the front so-called lip that we have right here on this side. You got this matte finish that goes across the whole wheel arch. You got your beautiful wheel design, again in this matte finish. Love it. You have Continental tires that are running on this car, 225 55 R 18-inch, solid disc brakes at the rear. Love how it looks, amazing. Now for the side, you have your R style, because this is the Premium R version. You get some lines that are popping up all the way towards the end. Love it how the door handles angle out that way when your door is unlocked. You also have some beautiful and aggressive looking side mirrors, man. Air to flow through this side. Love the gloss black finishing on this side as well, including the center part of the car is in this full gloss black, together with some matte finishing on this side. But nevertheless, you get a body color on top and the bottom, so very nice indeed. Your side mirrors are also in this white finish, very nice indeed. Signal indicator should be right here. Love how angular and, how to say, sharp this car actually looks. You got your 360 camera right underneath there. At the bottom side skirting, you do have your matte finish as well. Very cool looking. Love how it looks. Love the angles that are popping up on this side. Shoots directly upwards as well. Very nice indeed. Check it out. The mirror is fantastic. Now for the doors, as I mentioned, I like how it's like popping up like that. Let's open it up. Before that, let's take a look at the top roof. You get some similar orange, kind of like a railing on that side and on this side, so it does look very nice indeed, including the side right here. Now we'll talk about the back in a while more. Let's jump to the doors. You got some beautiful finish of a door with all these blue lines, dark blue and some light blue, together with some stitching that's also in blue as well. I believe this should be your ambient lighting integrated into the door. Very nice indeed. You got your DTS sound system. Handle right here to open up the door. Window adjustments up and down. Handle to hold to pull to close the door. You got some compartment storage happening down here, and also you get your DTS speakers down here as well. So very nice indeed. Hard plastic on this side, but amazing premium finish on this side as well, together with here. Very cool. The interior part, of course, this is a brand new car, so the plastic seats are actually on, but nevertheless, this just shows you guys how does the finishing look like. So it does look very nice indeed. Love the quality of it, very soft and nice. Perforated seats with some blue stitching. You also get them on this side right here, all over, together with the blue lining right in the center. Can you see that? Looks absolutely nice. Love it. Stops right here, so very cool. Side of the bolsters are in blue. So let's hop right in. Show you guys how amazing the dashboard actually looks like. You got your similar design towards your door. On this side, you got some blue lining across the air vents. Dashboard here is in this leather finish, very cool indeed. Love the design of the screen angling towards the driver's side. You also have your wireless charging happening down here, climate control adjustments, hazard light, 2 cup holders. You got your gear knob right here. Very nice indeed. Parking handbrake, your parking right here, very cool. You have your other storage places down here as well, together with some sort of compartment storage on this side. Very cool and nice. Now, storage place right here as well. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the passenger seat at the front. Very nice indeed. Love the steering wheel design, and I feel very relaxed because the seat is very comfortable. Seat belts are in black. Roof lining here is in this bright fabric finish. You have your glass roof right here on this side as well. And yeah, your lighting adjustments and whatnot. You got your mirrors on this side. Very cool indeed. I like it, man. Handle, very nice. So let's pop right down and open up the rear passenger door on this side. And what we can notice is that you have this amazing finish. Once again, it's blue finish on this side. Handles right here to open up the door. Window adjustments right here. Premium finish on this side. Here, together with here, love the leather finish. And then you got some compartment storage happening down here together with your speaker, the DTS speakers on that side as well. Very cool. The interior part, let's take a look. For the rear passenger seats, once again, you got your perforated seats. Love the leather finish. Love the blue lining together with the stitching down here as well. Very nice indeed. Space is absolutely fantastic. Let's hop right in and take a seat. Very spacious. Legroom is fantastic. Love the air vent, single air vent that we have right here, and also you have your USB-C charging socket right there, so very cool. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seatbelts are in black as well, and underneath here, of course, you get your 2 cup holders on this side, but nevertheless, this I will not be touching it. But take a look at this bottom, super flat and nice. Love what the people are looking at, or what's happening right here at the main cockpit. The glass roof right on top right here, fabric lining. Beautiful, man. I like it a lot. Very nice. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the center. Let's hop right down. And let's take a look at the rear wheels on this car. So they are using Continental tires for this car as well. So it's 225/85 R18. Solid disc brakes at the back. Got some matte finishing that's happening all over the wheel. Love the grey finish, and also this design like finish for a car like this. Very nice indeed. Love the wheel arch that's also in this matte finish as well. Let's hop right to the rear. Before that, I believe, okay, petrol tank maybe in a while more, but nevertheless, check out the rear. Love the frost white. Love the angles for the light right here. Very nice indeed. Like how it's popping out like that from the body of the car. GAC wording right there. You got your reflectors right here. The matte finish for the rear continues similar towards the side and the front. You got your GS3 EMZOOM R style, because this is the premium R as I mentioned. You get your number plate that's going right here in the center. 360 camera right underneath. G badging right here. Love this particular sort of like winglet kind of design, because there's no wipers. So love how if it rains and whatnot, water just pours down, the air just flows through to create downforce for the car. So at the same time, love the design, man. See what I mean? How the air just flows through on this side. Very cool. Now let's open up the rear boot. Before that, let's take a look at the rear diffuser on this car. You do get the orange finishing that's happening all over the car, from the front to the top, then to the sides, adds a little bit to the back as well. So you do get some dual exhaust for the back. Very sporty and very nice indeed. Check out the underneath. Beautiful. So you have your rear boot space, which is also quite huge. Get your spare wheel, which is a temporary wheel that you guys can use. Your seats at the back, you can fold down the seats if you wish to, but nevertheless, it does look very, very nice indeed. For this, love the lines that we have right here together with this orange texture on this side. Let's try and fold the seats down, show you guys the amazing space in this car. And once again on this side as well, take a look. Absolutely huge space for a car like this. Seat belts are actually in this blue color. Sorry, almost went colorblind. It's actually in this blue finish, not really in black. Can you see that? It's in blue. Very nice indeed. Normally you do get a shade covering it, but in this case you don't get one. Let's close the boot. And let's move down to the driver side. You have your handle right here. Let's pull that. And take a look at the doors. You get some blue lining finish on the interior. You get your handle to open up the door. You got your child lock for the rear windows, 2 windows to the back, 2 windows to the front. You get your unlock and lock left and right together with your side mirror adjustments. Handle to hold to pull to close the door. You got some compartment storage down here. DTS sound system on this side and also up here as well. So very nice indeed. Once again, seats for the driver, fantastic looking. Electronic seats, very cool, very smooth. Brake pedals and accelerator pedals in black as well. You got some compartment storage happening down here together with your Type-C charging, together with your 120 watt charging socket. Let's hop right in the driver's seat. Take a look. Love the steering wheel design. This I believe should be your volume up, volume down for, oh no, sorry, volume up, volume down is here. This one should be your other cruise control and also your lane keeping assist, together with the distance between you and the front car perhaps for you to set, and the view you can actually choose as well. Now you do have some exhaust flaps to open up and whatnot, answering the call, voice command, favorite button. Very cool. Light adjustments for the height, your wiper adjustments right here, signal and also your light on this side. Once again, climate control and whatnot is happening all the way here. Beautiful. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Very comfortable. Dashboard is very low and very nice. You can actually see what you guys are looking at without any disturbance happening anywhere here. So very cool indeed. Now let's turn on the lights to show you guys how does the DRL actually look like. You do get your amazing lights that popping up like this. Check that out. How amazing does this car actually look, my dude? Gorgeous. Love the finishing of a car like this. Absolutely amazing. Very, very nice indeed, man. Oof. Check the lights, how it's angular like that. See what I mean? It's absolutely beautiful. Love it, man. Very sharp, very angular. Now for the back, let's take a look at the rear. Get your amazing tail lights that are designed in such a way that looks absolutely stunning like this. Gorgeous. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys how does the signal light actually blink. Of course, you get them at the side mirrors right here in these 3 lines that you see. Very nice. Very unique design. Now automatically the DRLs that were on the road will be swapped into this. Very, very cool indeed. Very nice. So now let's take a look at the rear. And that's exactly where the turn indicators are actually going to be. Very cool. Love the display that's happening right here as well, so very nice. Splash is off. Cool. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about GAC cars, GAC motors, do head down to DJ, where you'll be able to locate their showroom, which is kind of obvious. They have tons of cars on display right here, even on the outside as well. It's another grey one right there. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.